YouTube, we back with another video. Like I say, we back with another. We back. Yep. So I'm making this video because I had a couple issues with the car. The car was driving fine. I don't know. Went around the block with the family, spun a couple of blocks, came back, dropped the family off, finna do a hit with the car, see how it's gonna do. You know, nothing crazy. Car died. The car just died. I'm telling you, just died. It's like nothing going on with the car. So basically, after all testing and stuff and checking it out, I found out the ECM sitting there for testing. Shout out for Holly, because they did help me out on the price. But my warranty had to went out on it. The ECM wasn't putting out the 5-volt reference for the CAN modules. So this is the new one. They sent me a new handheld touchscreen and all that jazz. So we finna walk over to the shop. Well, I ain't got my one hand, so let me unlock the shop first. Then bring y'all with me, cause you know, like I say, if y'all don't like how I do things around here, sponsor me. You sponsor me, I can buy all these attachments and things I need to do my video right. Buy that camera that on your shoulder right there. So as I'm working, I can tote. My hands will be empty. I can tote everything you guys want me to tote. And I'm still trying to make something shake over here. You know what I mean? We're cooking like man said, we're cooking with grease over here. Cooking with grease. I leave dog. Woo! I got the chickens over there going crazy. They're going crazy. I gotta pressure wash my driveway. See what we got going on here. Yeah, I gotta get the key out. I'm gonna get me some plaques made for my door. They're gonna say run custom whip. Cause this is where it all goes down right here. It all goes down. It all goes down. There you go. How you doing, boo? How you doing, boo? I got your brain. I have your brain. I have your brain. So I'm gonna put y'all up on the stand. You know how I do. I'm gonna reconnect the computer inside. We're gonna try to make something shake today. See what it's gonna do. I'm gonna come out here and test. See if it's getting the 5 volts ref. It should get the 5 volts ref. I tried to download the new tune to the they sent me a new if you don't know about Holly ECUs, they sent me a new SD card, but I got the SD card inside with the old. I took it out of the thing, so they sent me a new one, but it's pretty much the same thing. So I'm gonna download that file to the ECU, and then I'm gonna put it back together, and we're gonna see what she's gonna do. Let's see what she do. Let me put y'all in a little hole real quick. All right, so this is where I got the ECU located, just in case I had to go in here and service it. So good thing God I did put it right there for servicing. So yeah, this is where we at. And here go the other SD card, like I told you. This is my original. Let me unlock it. See? So yeah, we got that. So I gotta find, let me move the registration out the way. Can't show you all that. I gotta find the bolts. 1, 2, 3. 3 bolts should be fine. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you go. 4 bolt. Let me go get the nuts. Let's see, I get the little grommets back there. I don't know what happened to the ECU, man. This orange wire is a 5/0 ref. Do you see it? Put that back up in there. And then I can close my glove box back. Alright, put y'all on the hole real quick. Let me go get the right sockets. Alright, we back. Let me see if I can find y'all another position. We back. We back. See if I can find y'all another position. We back. Let's see how we do it. Pain in the butt. Yes, I am. Alright. We got the computer hooked back up. Well, now we're gonna hook up the brand new handheld. See, here we go. Let's see what we get here. Start to join up. Let's see. Slide in the SD card. Alright, so now I'm just gonna cut the cone, see if we have 5 volts out there. So let me put y'all on pause. Alright, let's do the calibration. Okay, let's do this. We gotta upload a file. So, global file. Upload the ECU. Okay. So it's uploading the files to the car. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. We hit a fuel pump primer now. Okay. Let's see if it take it. Let's click the wizards. Let's go to TPS setup. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do it. First twice. That's crazy. That's crazy. Done. So done. So we're gonna cycle off. We're gonna step on the brake. Let's see what happens. Make sure ain't nothing over there in the way. We got fire in the hole though. We got fire in the hole. I knew something was rubbing up against it. That's a fluke. I hit my fluke up. Dang. Look what I did, guys. That's why you always check before you crank the car before you fire it up. Don't do what I do. We got fire in the hole. So I don't know why it wouldn't take the throttle position and relearn or whatever, but we got fire in the hole, everything hitting back on ones and twos. Everything hitting back on the ones and twos. So basically it's gonna be about it, because now I need to take this car over to my tuner and let him put it on the thing, and I'm gonna see what he can do. Cause it's hitting on the ones and twos, you know what I mean? So I don't think nothing wrong with the file or nothing. Just, I don't know. So I emailed Holly. I was working with Holly back and forth to get this car started, and I finally got it started. So yeah, I ain't got no complaints, but I ain't happy because I still had to pay like a prorated charge. So You know, I was about this close going to carburetor, cause and just take all this turbo crap off, cause man, let me tell you, they wanted another $2,400 for another ECU, but my man down in Holly took care of me, so I wasn't gonna swap no carburetor. I wasn't gonna swap no carburetor, so I wasn't gonna swap to that. But let me crack this door, cause I don't want to die from all the carbon monoxide poisoning. You got me good last time. Let me open this door. Woo! I gotta move the bike out. Get y'all a little cold start. See what she jiggling lick. She jiggling lick. Jiggling lick with. Jiggling. Tongue tied right there. Tongue tied. Got a little transmission leak, but ain't no big deal. That transmission coming out anyway. Get y'all a look. Get y'all a look. Ain't cool. Get y'all a look. Fire up. All right, that's gonna wrap the video up for today. I know I ain't been dropping no long videos because I ain't had no long content, but y'all know I'm getting ready to go out of the country. So the thing of it is, I really ain't got no much long content. I'm gonna get some driving footage and all that stuff. I'm gonna try to make it's a Hooters show. It's a Hooters show in I think it's Sanford. I'm gonna try to make that one, but I just gotta go through it, make sure I'm working out all my bugs, let this car idle, see what's going on with it. But it was doing fine around the block, but like I told you, I lost the cranking issue, and that set me back. Not too much, but it set me back far enough that I gotta reevaluate my plans and stuff like that, see what's going on. Make sure my wife's off that day, because if not, I gotta take Lily with me. If not, I just trailer the car there or whatever. What I'm gonna do, just get a little bit of video footage for you guys. Take it off the trailer, set it up until I get the full dyno on this car, because I think the idle is still slightly too high when I put it in drive. I don't like that. I'm gonna try to see if I can adjust it through my computer. My computer's been like kind of glitchy, so I might just wait on Randy to do it for Randy. That's my tuner, and we just go from there. With that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna try to work on some of that Ron's Custom Whip merch when I come back into the States. If I come back into the States, I might get the car shipped over to Philippines. Get some real good content over there, I heard. But that's another bridge to cross. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in, liking my stuff. I got more things coming. But yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey, let me know if y'all enjoying this good content or these stories I'm telling or whatever. Right now, I really ain't got too many stories to tell. I probably talking that yak with the boys. I'll probably do it before I go out of the country, cause I was just trying to make sure the car was running and all that stuff before I call them back over, cause you know they're gonna be talking that smack. But I don't even care. But so other than that, guys, like and subscribe. Thank you.